Hi there, this is Lucas from UQ Army. In this video, we'll go over a type of QR code that goes hand in hand with online payment, the PayPal QR code. PayPal is one of the most important online payment systems in the world, and with the introduction of mobile marketing, it was only natural that PayPal would find its way into mobile payment systems as well. It's fast and secure, and it gets even faster with the use of a PayPal QR code. Upon scanning one, your target audience can buy your products or services. You can even use it to get donations. All it takes is having a PayPal ID. PayPal QR codes are great for businesses that sell products or services, and also for non-profit organizations that ask for donations. And since the transaction goes through PayPal, you will provide a sense of security for those who want to pay or donate to your cause. If you want to create a PayPal QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.